Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to binge read Summer Under the Stars, and I have it here. I had this book for a while and I really just want to read this book. The book is by Catherine Ferguson and it's about this writer who has just lost her mother, and she is on vacation with her boyfriend, who supposedly they're supposed to be celebrating his birthday, but he's always inclined to work. And she met a man named Jake, and who's also another established writer, and apparently secretly she hits it off with him in her mind. So I am going to see how this turns out. So stay with me as I do my well, I'm not sure how long it's gonna take. It's supposed to take a while, but I'm gonna do a reading vlog with this, so stay with me. So what I had planned to do is like rearrange and make sure that everything is okay with my bookshelf. So these are some of the books I have finished reading, and I am currently listening to my book on audio and just straightening up some things here because they have fallen down with the wind. So I have a candle here, more candles on my bookshelf, some that I have burnt already. So I just like always want to make sure everything is okay with my bookshelf. And yeah, I'm going to continue listening to this book on audio now as I get some other stuff done. So I am in on chapter 13, sorry, and I am currently listening to it on audio. And this book is really nice. I'm enjoying it. So far, she has met the other established author, and her boyfriend is away on, business at work. He has left her from the vacation, of course, and yeah, the book is going really great, and she is making like this real, genuine, good connection with Jake, the other writer, and he's giving her good compliments about the book. And the thing about the book is that she chose the place of vacation because of the fact that she wanted to find her birth mother, who had given up on her. And her mother, who was supposedly the one that brought her up, actually died earlier on in the year. And she, as I said, she willingly chose this place for the boyfriend's birthday in order to come and knock on one of the places there, because she found an address in a small pink bag, and she's wondering, who does this bag belong to? Who is this person? Does it have any connection with my real birth mother? And I have reached the point where she is, Jake has convinced her, like the heroine in your story, she has gone on and she didn't give up, and she found her lost sister. Why don't you continue looking for your mother? So he decides, he would drive her up there and she would knock on the door. So I have reached the part where she's about to knock on the door, and I'm going to continue listening. So I'll get back to you all. Toodle. Veg, some sesame oil, black pepper. So I have reached chapter 16, and what happened is that her boyfriend is back, and they had another person over, and she got drunk and he had to drop her home, and he actually spent 20 minutes. His excuse is that he was looking for the keys because she dropped it in the grass, and he's acting rather suspicious. So next morning, when she visits her friend Clemmy to pick up, the baked goodies, she is quite concerned, is she okay? So she's acting kind of strange, and she doesn't, Daisy doesn't really pick up on anything, but she's deciding that since she has taken her boyfriend to the glamping site, which is her friend's Clemmy zone, and she's feeling very guilty, that she kind of made the trip into her own venture. She is looking to go and book a hotel, but something very suspicious is going on, and she's feeling really rather strange now that her friend Clemmy is kind of really concerned. So I am at chapter 16. So I'm continue reading, and my eyebrow looks fab. I actually did it for myself, and I'm listening to audio right now, and I may take a walk at the river at the back of the house and probably sit there for a while and finish listening to the book on audio, and also read some by the copy or follow. See you soon. have taken a walk outside, look at the plants with by the river, and I have actually finished reading this book, and it turns out that her mother that she was looking for was actually Sylvia, who was the manager of the hotel that she was going to take her boyfriend. Luckily, with the help of her friend Clemmy, she got to find out, that Sylvia was her mother. Her boyfriend, however, she ended up meeting him with one of the persons who was, living in that same place. And she broke up with him, and she continued, when she went to tell Jake that, she met her boyfriend, he was gone as well. And it so happened, when she found out her mother, her actual real mother, who was Sylvia, had to give her up because her mom was sick, and she was very young. She was 17 years old. She put her up for adoption, and she had to take care of her mom, so all the pressure was on her. But when her mom died at 3 years old, she did come looking for her, and her mother, who had died earlier on in the year, who took care of her as a mother, actually moved her from that place. But the book ended well. She ended up, her actual mother, who is Sylvia, ended up taking her to this book signing, not knowing that, it was Jake. She met Jake again. She ended up going to her friend Clemmy wedding, and they all reconnected, and the book ended really, really beautifully. As for her ex-boyfriend with Chantel, he professes that, he has met the love of his life, and it was written in the stars. And her ex-mother-in-law, Daisy's ex-mother-in-law is, which is still in contact with her, and everything just ended really well. So apparently, ex-boyfriend found the love of his life. Daisy found the love of her life with Jake, him being an author and all, because her ex-boyfriend didn't have time with her. He never read her scripts, never paid attention to her reading. He just thought that she was just, some person that was literally just, scribbling. So I enjoyed the read. I enjoyed the day. I did some cooking. I did some walking. I looked at the plants, and I did a lot of things. So thank you for viewing my video. This is my first reading vlog. I hope I did well. And that's it. I will see you next time. Bye.